Hi, hello, and welcome back to Tamil Thalaimurai Business Channel.
In today's modern world, people are running like a machine and they don't find time to cook.
Idly dosa batter plays a vital role in the food industry next to milk. This video will be useful to those who wish to start this business or those who are facing problem in this business. There are 10 important things to be done to succeed in this business. Number 1. The batter should be whiter. Number 2. The idli should be softer. Number 3. The dosa should be crispier. Number 4. The batter should not give a sour taste. Number 5. The cost of the batter should be low. Number 6. The batter should be in a standard quality. Number 7. Deliver the batter at time. Number 8. Packet should not bulge. Number 9. The batter should not get diluted. Number 10. Make sure that you don't get any returns from the retailer. If you follow these things, I assure that you will definitely succeed in this business.
The main things that a idli dosa batter manufacturer should notice are the combination of idli rice, urad dal and fenugreek are not enough for a commercial manufacturing. There are of 9 ingredients to be added for a perfect and delicious commercial idli dosa batter. And the cost of production should be less. You should start with the best quality among the competitors, and the next thing is to withhold your shopkeepers.
So now, to overcome these failures and succeed in this field, we the group of Pasumai Healthy Foods help you in 3 ways. The first thing is we conduct direct practical training program in our place. Through this, you will get to know A to Z of this business, including the marketing tricks that you will have to follow. And the second thing is we provide you the training by the way of pendrives. Third thing is we provide you the training by a book that gives you a clear idea of this business. This is nothing but the book contains the complete content of the training. So it's your choice to choose the way of training. We charge different payment for each mode of training. This training gives you the commercial formula for classic idli dosa batter and millet idli dosa batter and marketing ideas, certificates required for this business, and the procedure to get bank loans and electricity subsidies in this business, and still more about this business. We also support you in the way of purchasing the machineries, getting business certificates, and also in purchasing the raw materials. We also provide you training in your own spot.
For any queries, contact us on and we are here at Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Our batter company is located at 14 kilometers away from Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple and Madurai Junction. For clear location, I have displayed my detailed address on the screen and the location link on the description. So, this is Priya Raj Kumar signing off from Tamil Thalaimurai Business Channel. Thank you.
Why still waiting? Like, share, subscribe to Tamil Talaimurai Business Channel.